So I know this is probably not the first time you're coming across a video here on YouTube where a creator is talking about how much they earned on YouTube, maybe in their first month of monetization, whether it's 6 months of monetization, whether it's when they had 1,000 subscribers or when they had 50,000 subscribers, or whatever the case may be. So this may not be the first time you are coming across that kind of video, but there are some very important things I would like you to take out of this video today. So the first thing is that, does YouTube pay creators that create content on YouTube? Yes, YouTube actually pays content creators on YouTube. So there are several ways you can make money on YouTube, whether directly or indirectly. But for the sake of this video, I'm only going to be talking about the YouTube monetization because that is actually what I did, and those are the earnings I'm going to be showing you in this video. So one thing you should understand is that before now, YouTube requirements used to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time within 12 months. So when you start your YouTube channel today is, for example, we are in May now, May 2024. Between May 2024 to April 2025, you should been able to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. So most cases you see some people get even 1,000 subscribers very early, but that 4,000 hours of watch time is always the struggle. But now in 2024, as it stands, the requirement has even gone lower. All you need to do is to have at least 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. So if you have 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time within 12 months, then you are eligible for the YouTube monetization program. So that is one thing you should also know, that YouTube can pay you in different ways. So the second question is it easy to make money on YouTube? Wow, that question is relative to the individual, is relative to the creator that is actually creating the content. It is relative to the channel, the niche that you are creating content on. So for example, maybe I'm an individual who just started out on YouTube. I don't have any following anywhere. I could start on YouTube and it could take me like 6 months to get monetized. It could take me up to even a year. Some persons even go beyond 12 months and they don't still get that the requirements needed to get monetized. But there are some people that come on YouTube 1 month they are already monetized, 6 months they already, in some even 1 week they're already monetized. So it's dependent on the individual. Every creator's journey is actually different. That's one thing you should know. No two creator would literally have the same journey, that this is the thing that, okay, do this thing. If you post video by 1 p.m. you're going to get, no. Every creator's journey is actually completely different. But one thing that is certain is that YouTube pays. The third thing I would like you to have in mind is that YouTube is not somewhere you just come to and just do it nonchalantly. If you're not really bothered about making money, you just want to post videos just for the fun of it, then it's fine. But if you are looking to get monetized in the future on YouTube, then it's very important that you take it seriously. Because if you can start and for the first 6 months you're not getting anything, you could get discouraged. You could begin to think that, okay, is YouTube even meant for me? But one thing you should know is that every creator's journey is different, and learn the rudiments, the things that you need to succeed on YouTube. So I'll be posting some of those videos in the coming weeks and months on my channel, so make sure you subscribe so that you can learn some of those things that would enable you succeed on YouTube. Because as much as we're saying that you need to post videos, you need to do this, you need to do that, there's some things that even though you post videos every day of the month, every day of the week, there are still some things that if you don't do it well, you probably may not get that breakthrough that you're looking for. When I started on YouTube, I was giving myself like 12 months to get monetized. That okay, at least in the next 12 months I should be able to get 1,000 subscribers and get monetized. In my own case, I got 1,000 subscribers even faster than I got monetized, and but I got monetized. That's the thing. Although at first I was like, okay, when I saw what YouTube paid me, I was like, okay. But it's something. It would actually do something. It would pay 1 or 2 bills here and there. So I don't want to talk too much and bore you with all of the plenty gist. Let me just take you right into my laptop screen where I'll be showing you guys everything I've made from when I got monetized and 6 months after I got monetized on YouTube. Some of the things that I did here and there, and how we can also help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So this was the first video I posted on my channel, my first official video when I was now ready to start YouTube. This was April 29th, 2022. That was when I posted this video. And I did not get monetized on my channel till about, so I got monetized on YouTube in October. And if you can see, I made $33 in October. I got monetized, I think October 20th of 2022, 6 months after I posted my first video. That was when I got monetized. And I made $33.39 as at that time. And I had about 10,082 views on my channel. My CPM at that time was about $6. I want you to understand that CPM is like cost per mile, meaning that how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 view on your channel. So this was how it went, and I was able to make $33. That was the first month of monetization. So the second month of monetization, which was in November, I made $53. So it was increasing, and my views for that month was about 15,103. My CPM was about $6 still for that particular month, but I was able to make $53. Mind you, at this point, I'd not even received the money. Both what I made in October, I had not received it. What I made in November, I had not received it, because for you to be able to get money, for you to be able to get paid on YouTube AdSense, you need to have made about $100 and above. So if you put these two together, it was not even up to $100. So I was not being paid the money. So for December, I made $29. It was like I literally went back, and first of all, I think maybe because of the number of views that I got on my channel and this average CPM eventually for that month, but I made $29. So if you join this together for October, November, December, you can now see that I've already made up to $100. So I think I got my first payment literally in January 2023. That was when I got like my first YouTube money, because obviously that was when it got to $100. So in January 2023, I was able to make about $157 in a month. And I got the number of playbacks I got, views was like 21,498 for that month. And my average CPM was about $13, which was quite high, higher than other months. And I'm sure that was also part of things that affected the payment and made it like this, because some other channels that would get even more than these views may not make up to this amount of money because of their average CPM. So in the month of February, I made $186 point $186, and my views were just about 18,455, which was quite lower than what I did in January, but I still made more. And that's because my CPM was quite high compared to the month of February and January. And so coming to the month of March, I made $215, which was like the highest I'd made so far. My views for that month was like 22,074, and my CPM was quite lower than February, but due to the number of views I was able to make that amount of money. And guys, it was quite interesting. It was fun. I was happy that I was able to make this amount of money. And the total I made for the first 6 months was 676.19. So like $676. That was what I was able to make in the first 6 months of monetization, which was very good for me, for something that I was not actively doing. It was very okay. But mind you, I If I show you what I'm making now, you'll be so shocked because for a while now I've not been very active on YouTube. I've just been on and off, and so my earnings has really drastically dropped, very low, and it's quite shameful. But this is just to show you that with consistency and all of that, you can actually earn something for yourself on YouTube, no matter how small it starts. You can actually get somewhere. You can actually I know what I this money no matter how little you start at the beginning, you can actually do something. So I hope you actually found this video valuable. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell because I'm also going to be sharing some other tips that you need to know, some other ways that you can even earn on YouTube rather than the YouTube monetization. So I really do hope you got value from this video that you've watched today. If you have any questions, please make sure you leave a comment for me in the comment section. I will do well to attend to every of your questions.